how to get a WeTransfer link. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate links on WeTransfer and send them to your friends or your colleagues. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to Google and search for WeTransfer. So once you type that, you're going to open this website, that is WeTransfer. Or alternatively, you can head over to your Google Play Store or App Store and download the application of WeTransfer. And once you do so, you're going to log into your account and you will be given a free account. Or if you wish to increase your account limit, you can buy premium. So once you do log into your account, you'll be able to see something like this. So you can add various files or add folders. So you can either drag and drop them, or you're going to simply click on add files and select the file. So I have selected this file over here, and now you can see it has 3 GB remaining. This is the free plan storage. If you wish to increase limit, like if you're sending something greater than 3 GB, then you have to pay for that. And here you'll be able to see your email, and then you're going to give it a title, and then you're going to select that when it will expire. So 3 days and 1 day are in the free version and the rest are in the paid one. So you're going to click on these 3 dots and then you're going to select whether you want to send it via email or you wish to generate a link and send it yourself. For this example, I've clicked on create a link, and you can customize your background, which is a paid feature, and you can also, just select some various other options that you want. And then you're going to head over, click on continue, select the days. So I'm going to click on 3 days, and then you're going to click on get link, and then you'll be able to see that a transferring process has begun and it will shortly get completed, and the transferring process has been completed. So you're going to simply click on copy link, and then you're going to head over and paste this link in the message to whoever you wish to send it to, and then you can simply click on send, and when they open the link, they'll be able to see this video and download it. So that was how you can create a link on WeTransfer. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.